iPhone SE 4 or iPhone 17 Air? Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. The reason behind this intriguing question is creating a lot of buzz and concern among loyal Apple fans worldwide. Stay tuned till the very end of this video to uncover what surprises Tim Cook and the Apple team might have in store for 2025. The upcoming iPhone lineup for 2025 has become a major topic of conversation and speculation among tech enthusiasts. Initially, rumors suggested that Apple had ambitious plans to launch 5 different iPhone models this year, including the highly anticipated iPhone 17 series and the affordable iPhone SE 4. However, in an unexpected twist, fresh leaks from the credible source Majin Buu on X, formerly Twitter, now indicate that Apple could cut the lineup down to just 4 iPhone devices. This surprising update has left many wondering, will the 4th spot in Apple's 2025 lineup go to the sleek and innovative iPhone 17 Air, or the much-awaited budget-friendly iPhone SE 4? According to a report by Majin Buu, Apple is undoubtedly moving forward with preparations to release the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max in the near future. However, there is significant uncertainty regarding the status of a potential 4th device in the lineup. The tipster suggested that Apple might be weighing its options between launching the iPhone 17 Air or the iPhone SE 4, which is internally codenamed Roma. If the information is accurate, it could indicate that Apple is considering a bold move to rebrand its SE lineup as part of the Air series. Adding further credibility to this speculation, Majin Buu shared a leaked image purportedly showcasing the rumored design of the iPhone SE 4. If the leak turns out to be accurate, the much anticipated iPhone 17 Air might not make its debut in 2025, with its launch potentially being postponed until 2026 as part of Apple's iPhone 18 series. On the other hand, Apple might decide to abandon the idea of the iPhone 17 Air altogether and instead channel its efforts into evolving the SE series with a fresh branding approach. Whether it will be called the iPhone SE 4, iPhone 17 Air, or even iPhone 16e, the speculation surrounding these devices has led to considerable confusion among Apple enthusiasts. And when it comes to the much anticipated iPhone SE 4, earlier reports suggested that Apple might schedule its release for sometime in April. Esteemed Apple analyst and insider Mark Gurman speculated that if everything proceeds smoothly with production timelines, Apple could officially unveil the SE 4 during the final week of March or in the opening days of April. Interestingly, some sources have hinted at the possibility of the SE 4 being rebranded as the iPhone 16e, which would align the budget-friendly model more closely with Apple's premium flagship series. This upcoming device is rumored to include significant advancements compared to its predecessors, such as the introduction of an OLED display, an upgraded and more powerful chipset, and enhanced camera capabilities. However, the likelihood of the iPhone SE 4 being renamed the iPhone 16e remains slim, as Apple's strategy for the SE lineup is to target mid-range buyers while avoiding any confusion that might blur the distinction between the affordable models and their high-end flagship lineup. Coming to the second question, could Apple replace the iPhone SE 4 with the rumored iPhone 17 Air? The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be Apple's thinnest iPhone ever, pushing the boundaries of design and engineering. It was initially anticipated to debut alongside the iPhone 17 series, which is widely speculated to be unveiled this September. This sleek device is expected to feature an even slimmer design compared to the iPhone 6, made possible by the integration of Apple's custom-designed 5G modem chip. This advanced chip is significantly smaller than Qualcomm's version, allowing for a more compact internal layout while maintaining critical aspects such as battery life, display quality, and camera performance. Notably, this new model is already set to replace the iPhone 17 Plus, making it highly improbable that the iPhone 17 Air would also take the place of the SE 4. On another note, Samsung typically waits for Apple to introduce a product before pursuing similar concepts in its own lineup. This strategy further solidifies the belief that the iPhone 17 Air is not intended to replace the iPhone SE 4, but may instead launch as a standalone model, potentially in 2026. However, it's important to remember that these details are based on leaks and speculation, so we recommend treating this information cautiously until an official announcement provides confirmation. To stay updated with the latest news and leaks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. What do you think about these developments? Do you believe Apple could actually replace the iPhone SE 4 with the iPhone 17 Air? Share your thoughts and predictions in the comments section section below. With that said, thank you for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video.